How to hide followers and subscriptions on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can hide your followers and subscriptions on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Insta and let's head over to our profile. Right there you can see my followers and the followings. Any other people might be able to even see my subscriptions. So what we can do in that case is that head over to our settings or the three lines on the top right. And after you're there, what you'll then need to do is there you'll need to head over to your account's privacy settings. So on your account privacy, here you can simply turn on your private account. So if you turn on your private account, only people that are your followers will be able to see your details. After you turn your account private, no one will be able to see your account's information instead of your friends or followers. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take